Large-scale cloud service providers dominate today's cloud computing landscape with proprietary, complex, one-size-fits-all solutions that cost more than anticipated. These hyperscale public clouds were developed for scale at the expense of flexibility, service, and cost predictability. As a result, they often fail to address the unique needs of organizations. But there is an alternative. The ORockCloud is a FedRAMP-authorized cloud environment built on OpenStack. We designed the ORockCloud from the ground up for secure, high-performance data operations with hardened, enterprise-grade open-source applications, scalable storage, all using industry-leading hardware, transmitting your data on a private fiber optic backbone network, and storing that data in secure, compliant data centers. Why? Because the most secure open-source cloud doesn't start at the application layer. Our engineers and security team designed the ORockCloud to meet the most stringent customer requirements for security, compliance, cost predictability, and control. We integrated security and regulatory compliance in every element of the cloud stack, from the physical data center and network to the platforms and tools used to manage your workloads and applications. The ORockCloud isn't only hardware and virtualized services. The ORockCloud leverages important technology and security pillars from the physical data center to our ongoing support, providing a set of holistic capabilities that contribute to a cost-effective, secure, highly available cloud. The ORockCloud is in 4 data centers spread across the east and west coasts of the United States, providing geo-redundancy for your data. Those data centers are SOC 2, Type 2, as well as HIPAA and PCI DSS certified. Our data centers are access controlled by multi-factor biometric authentication methods, and there are multiple layers of redundancy for all electrical, cooling, and power systems. So, no matter what may happen at that data center, whether tornado, fire, or terrorist attack, your data is backed up on-site as well as in at least one other site on the other side of the country to ensure business continuity of your operations. ORock has partnered with Windstream and other carriers to provide a private fiber optic backbone network between our data centers. That backbone bypasses the Meet Me room in the data centers and terminates directly to our server clusters. This added layer of security mitigates the possibility of man-in-the-middle attacks at the vulnerable Meet Me room. While other hyperscale CSPs use white box hardware, which is a logistics process of aggregating every component from a variety of global suppliers, this process trades the benefits of availability for security. There is no way to verify the security of every component manufacturer in these systems. At ORock, we aren't trading the security of your data for our own convenience. We use only industry-leading suppliers whose equipment is engineered for security down to the root, and whose supply chain is verified secure. As malware attacks move down the stack from the application layer to the infrastructure layer, smart organizations realize that security isn't an add-on. It must be part of the overall design. And that's what ORock has done through our hardware partnerships. One of the hallmarks of ORock is our focus on security. We have our own internal compliance team who ensures that we are meeting and exceeding our security requirements. With the only FedRAMP-authorized open-source cloud, we must meet 325 security controls and prove that to the federal government via a third-party assessment every year. For our FedRAMP High Cloud, we must meet 421 security controls. We do this so that our customers can focus on their core competencies. Another way to look at this is that ORock manages the infrastructure layer of the ORockCloud, so your technology team can focus on innovation while transitioning your IT costs from CapEx to OpEx. The ORockCloud is the first and only FedRAMP-authorized open-source cloud built on the OpenStack platform, enabling you to host applications and workloads in a vendor-agnostic environment, and giving you more control as your technology and cloud needs evolve. We'll dig into storage and containers in greater depth in other courses, but you can see some of the high points here. ORock Technologies. We simplify your cloud and AI experience.